KONDOSAN.
Miya lives a happy life with her grandfather and her beloved dog. One day, her grandfather bought a clock from an old dealer. They placed it in the most beautiful corner of the house.
It looks beautiful here, Grandpa. Cuckoo! Cuckoo! There's a bird in it. It's so cute!
Miya showed her cuckoo clock to her friend Gerda that came to visit her that day.
The bird inside the clock comes out and sings every hour. Did you know that, Gerda? Cuckoo! Cuckoo!
What a cute bird! I love it!
Gerda was Miya's guest for that night, so they got ready to go to sleep.
I'm so glad you're here, Gerda. It was a nice day.
Yes, I enjoyed our day together and your cookies were amazing.
And just when they were falling asleep, they heard a sound.
Did you hear that? Is someone crying?
The sound is coming from the cuckoo clock. Ah! The cuckoo is crying.
Is that even possible?
I'm not really a bird. So, what are you?
I am the daughter of the best clockmaker of the faraway land. You're the clockmaker's daughter? How is that possible? Years ago, the witch of the faraway land asked my father to make the most precious clock in the world. My father made this clock for her.
So what happened?
This clock is the most accurate clock on Earth. It is so precise that it never gains or loses a second. Unfortunately, the witch didn't like the clock. Why didn't the witch like the clock? Because the witch expected the clock to be made of gold and precious jewels. So she turned me into the cuckoo of the clock to punish my father. What a wicked witch.
So you've been in this clock for years, right?
Unfortunately, yes. What about your father? The witch imprisoned my father in her cellar. He's probably grown older and I miss him so much.
There has to be a way to turn you back to yourself.
Miya, can't your spells restore her?
Miya tried her own magic, but was not strong enough to break the spell.
There's one person that knows how to break the witch's spell. Who is it? Oracle of the faraway land. Only she can do it.
How do you know this?
A sparrow that felt sorry for me said that the oracle was the only one who knew how the witch's spells worked.
So shall we set off early in the morning, Gerda? What do you say?
Who else can help this girl but us?
In the morning, Miya and Gerda prepared to set off.
You're putting yourselves in danger for me. Be careful. What kind of danger? To reach the oracle's cave, you must go through the forest of the three-eyed giant.
Don't worry. We'll do our best to discover the secret that will break the spell.
When they finally reached the forest of the three-eyed giant in the faraway land, they got out of the carriage.
We're entering the forest, but we have to walk from here.
The birds say that the three-eyed giant lives in the forest.
If we're careful, we might cross the forest without being seen by the giant and find the oracle.
Do you see the smoke?
I think it's coming from the giant's cabin. He's probably cooking something.
I hope he didn't see us.
Let's be very careful. Fortunately, his back was turned, so he didn't see us.
Oh my! What big ears he has!
Run! He heard us! He's coming right here!
If we get caught, he'll throw us in that cauldron and cook us!
Shh! Be quiet!
Let go of me! Help! Miya, do something!
Miya cast the first spell that came to her mind to save Gerda.
Take that! Gerda, let's get out of here quickly!
So Miya and Gerda escaped the giant, crossed the forest and found the oracle's cave.
Here it is! We found it!
Don't be afraid. Come closer. I was expecting you.
Did you use that bowl to see we were coming?
Yeah, I can read the mud in the bowl. So I know you're here to help the girl the witch turned into a cuckoo.
Is there any way to get her back to normal?
Yes, there is a way. If you take the witch's magic wand and dip it in the water of goodness and touch the bird will return to its original state.
Where is this water of goodness?
In the dragon's lair.
We promised the cuckoo that we would help her!
Before I forget, watch out for the dragon that lives in a lair. May luck be on your side.
Let's see if Miya and Gerda are able to get the water of goodness. You can find out when you watch our story, Witch of the Faraway Land. Once upon a time, there lived an old woman in the deepest part of the forest. But she wasn't happy at all because she was getting old. She always complained about it.
God, why? Why did I get old? Look at my face. It's all wrinkly. And my hands. Everyone used to be amazed at how beautiful my hands were. Oh, I had a small waist. Now I'm hunched over, and I'm in constant pain. I would do anything to be young again.
The old woman kept repeating this.
I would do anything to be young again.
Suddenly, the sky turned dark and lightning struck. A witch appeared out of the lightning.
So you want to be young again?
Yes, I want it badly.
And would you do anything for it?
Yes, I'll do anything.
I will make you young again, but on one condition.
What? Let me do it right now.
I will give you back your youth, but you have to bring me a well-fed child every month in return.
The old woman was surprised by the odd request.
Okay, I'll do it.
The witch waved her magic wand and the old woman suddenly regained her youth. She was young and beautiful again, but now she was a witch too.
Don't forget your promise, or I will destroy you.
The witch disappeared. The sun came out and the old woman was thrilled with her new appearance. But then she started to ponder.
I'm in the middle of the forest. How am I going to attract children? No one ever comes by here. Let me think. How? Ah, I've got it!
She decided to make a house of cakes and sweets to attract children. She started preparations immediately. Before long, she built a house of cream on the roof, candy on the windows, and cake on the walls. So she started catching children. But after a while, children stopped coming around her house.
I haven't found any children this month. What am I going to do?
I came across 2 little children in the woods, ma'am. I managed to bring them to the front of the house. They're eating cakes and candies. Hurry up.
Well done. You did a great job.
The witch immediately ran outside and found the children eating.
Welcome, children.
We were very hungry, so we started eating all the sweets from your house. Please forgive us.
No worries. Bon appetit. If you don't have a place to stay, you can stay at my house.
Thank you so much. My name is Hansel, and this is my sister Gretel.
I was tired of being alone. Come on in. You must be cold. There's also hot chocolate inside.
Hansel and Gretel were delighted. The young woman showed them to their beds and gave them hot chocolate. They fell into a peaceful sleep.
Get up now. It's morning. The visit is over. Hansel, come here quickly. Get in that cage, quick.
What is happening? Why did you lock me up?
Hansel, I'm so scared. Stop whining. You're too skinny, Gretel. Quick to the kitchen. You will cook nutritious meals and then you and your brother will eat them.
Gretel agreed against her will. She went into the kitchen and started cooking. Hansel kept some of the food in his pockets to avoid gaining weight. Gretel also threw her food in the trash without letting the witch see this.
You're still so skinny. You'll eat more.
Days passed, and finally, the day the witch would come for the children had arrived.
It's time to send you to the Witch Queen. You'll cook well in the oven. In fact, wait! I'll cook you this time to surprise the Witch Queen. Gretel, Throw more wood in the oven right away. Yes, ma'am.
Gretel looked in the oven and the fire was ablaze. At that moment, she had an idea how to get rid of the witch.
Ma'am, the fire is about to go out, but the oven door is stuck and I can't open it. I need your help. You incompetent girl! I'm coming!
The witch bent down and opened the oven.
The door's not stuck. You couldn't open it because you're too skinny and clumsy.
Then she bent over to check the fire. Meanwhile, Gretel staggered backwards and pushed the witch into the furnace with all her might.
Hansel, we're finally free. The witch won't come out anytime soon.
Dear sister, you're such a smart girl. You managed to save us.
We have to get out of here now, Hansel. But first, let's see what's in that room that she keeps locked.
When Hansel and Gretel entered the room, they found a chest full of jewels and gold.
Let's fill our pockets, Gretel, and take it to our father.
After putting some gold in their pockets, they took the witch's map and went home. One day, Hansel and Gretel went to town to buy seeds to plant. On their way back, Gretel saw a toy store.
Hansel, look at those beautiful toys.
They are so pretty.
Let's go inside and take a closer look.
So they entered the toy store.
Oh, it's a Pinocchio. And this must be Cinderella.
I would love to play with these nutcracker soldiers.
It looks empty inside. Is there no one in the shop?
There's a room in the back. The owner could be there.
When they entered the room, they met the old storekeeper.
Hello, children. Can you get me a glass of water?
Are you okay, sir?
I'm a little cold.
You look very sick. Is there no one looking after you?
No, there's no one. I'm too old and I don't have much time.
Let's find you a doctor right away.
A doctor cannot do anything for me, but I will do something for you.
For us?
You are good children, so I'll gift you a fairy tale book.
A fairy tale book? We love it.
But you have to use it very carefully.
Using the book? I thought we were going to read it.
The old toy maker explained that this wasn't a typical fairy tale like the others. Instead, it was a magic book.
Wow! You mean a magic fairy tale book?
This book draws the reader into a fairy tale world and makes him the hero of that adventure.
So this book is a gateway to the world of fairy tales, correct?
That's right. To get back, you must find the magic word hidden in the book and read it aloud. If you don't read the magic word before the sun goes down, you won't be able to come back from that fairy tale.
To be honest, I don't want to be stuck in a fairy tale forever.
The toy maker also gave Hansel and Gretel a small crystal ball.
Use this crystal ball if you get into trouble. It's magic. It'll work for you.
Thus, Hansel and Gretel took the book and left the old toy maker's store.
Wow! How about that? Being the hero in a fairy tale!
What if we can't find the magic word and read it before sundown?
There's only one way to find out.
What if the toy maker just played a prank on us?
Let's open the book and take a look, Gretel. Blackbeard the pirate!
When Hansel and Gretel read the name of the fairy tale, they were suddenly transported elsewhere.
Wow! Where are we?
The land of pirates! It must be that one-eyed Blackbeard!
I guess. Let's be careful.
Just then, they heard a voice.
Get me out of here! Let me go! Help!
Did you hear that?
Yes! Someone is asking for help!
The sound is coming from the ship.
Let's go see!
What about the pirates? They can catch us.
But someone needs help!
Thus, they managed to get on the ship without being seen by the pirates.
Help! Can you hear me?
The sound is coming from downstairs.
A pirate! Hide quickly!
Hey, where are you? You just asked for help? Look at that chest. I wonder what's in it.
Gold! So much gold!
That chest is Blackbeard's treasure.
Hey! Who are you? Where are you?
I'm here.
So it was you who asked for help?
My name is Jack. Blackbeard will sell me to bird collectors. I don't want to live in a cage forever. Please save me. Save me.
Sure, we can help. But where did Blackbeard find you?
Jack said that pirates had captured him on a tropical island where he lived.
I want to be free and go back home.
We'll save you, don't worry.
It's locked! Where's the key?
Unfortunately, Blackbeard has the key.
Okay, we'll have to take you with the cage then.
How are we going to do this? The pirates will see us.
I have a plan.
You look like a real pirate.
Let's go! Be careful, Gretel.
So Hansel and Gretel managed to get off the ship without the pirates noticing. However, at that moment,
Oh, no!
Oops!
They saw us! Run! Run that way!
No, they will find us.
Shh! Be quiet, Gretel!
They couldn't find us, but they took Jack. What are we going to do?
We won't give up! We promised we'd save him!
But how do we get back on the ship? What if the pirates are still looking for us?
I don't know! We have to find a way!
Remember, we'll be trapped here if we don't read the magic word before sundown.
We still have time! I think this might work for us now.
let's see if our friends can get back on the ship and save Jack the parrot from Blackbeard. Children, you can find out when you watch the next story, The Forest Witch.